cavalry officers have represented the country in World Cup polo. Colonel Lawrence Brown, Colonel J.S. Kirk, Colonel Bhavani Singh, Colonel Ajay Rawat, Colonel Tarun Surohi, Colonel N.S. Sandhu, Major Ravi Rathore and Major Vishal Chauhan have all represented India and Polo World Cup Championship. And here comes the Commandant looking stately and truly regal, leading the regiment. In a short while from now, he will be going past the saluting dais. This is what is known as a mosaic of color, majestic and dazzling.
कमांड के ठीक पीछे चली आ रही है पूरी आन मान और शान के साथ स्क्वाड्रन मेजर समीर चौधरी के नेतृत्व में अल्फा स्क्वाड्रन युवा घुड़सवार जबरदस्त इच्छा शक्ति घुड़सवारी मुकाबले में हिस्सा लेने की +2 हैंडीकैप का पोलो खिलाड़ी बेहद दिलचस्प शो जंपर्स 2011 के राष्ट्रीय रेस के विजेता भारतीय ड्रेसाज टीम के सदस्य ये रणबांकुरे
Perfect symmetry in rank and file, perfect discipline, perfect order. Mind you, these are achieved by, again, a perfect understandability between the rider and his team.
अल्फा स्क्वाड्रन के ठीक पीछे निशान टोली रेजिमेंटल गिडॉन कैप्टन अर्पित राठी के मजबूत हाथों आरूढ़ है गोल्ड वेस्ट। कैप्टन अर्पित राठी दूसरी पीढ़ी के सेनाधिकारी युवा जोशीले अफसर भविष्य के अश्वारोहण के भावी सेनासार निशान रक्षक की भूमिका में लाल तबदार अबरार सन ऑफ स्टैम्पर तबदार पीछे सबकाल आरूढ़ है कार्लोस पर दोनों ही कमाल के शो जंपर इवेंटिंग का खासा शौक सभी दर्शकों से अनुरोध निशान सामने आते ही कृपया अपने स्थान पर खड़े होकर उचित सम्मान प्रदान करें। हेडक्वार्टर स्क्वाड्रन सलामी मंच के सामने पहुंच रहे हैं नेतृत्व कर रहे मेजर डैनी स्विटन दूसरे पीढ़ी के सैन्य अधिकारी देश का प्रतिनिधित्व अनेकों बार राष्ट्रीय अंतर्राष्ट्रीय मुकाबलों में जाने पहचाने इवेंटर आप कर रहे हैं 2010 के एशियाई खेलों में भारतीय ड्रेसाज टीम के खिलाड़ी सेना की नुमाइंदगी 33वें राष्ट्रीय खेलों में 34वें राष्ट्रीय खेलों में जमशेदपुर में मशहूरियत और बुलंदियां छुई मेजर डैनी स्विटन के ठीक पीछे हेडक्वार्टर स्क्वाड्रन के 2IC चंद ही लम्हों में आएंगे कैप्टन अमन सिंह। कैप्टन अमन सिंह 24 वर्षीय युवा अश्वारोही राष्ट्रीय अश्वारोहण के शो जंपिंग पोलो मैचेस एवं इवेंटिंग के साथ ही साथ टेंट पेगिंग की शुरुआत अब बारी है सुपर न्यूमरीज की।
Sardar Major Shabir Ali, would-be Major Sardar Geesu Singh Rathore, and finally the Adjutant Major Vishal Chauhan. Lastly, Second in Command Major Ravi Rathore. Major Vishal, Adjutant, in addition to his sporting achievements, has throughout his service been awarded several times 2 achieved commendation cards by the Chief of Army Staff and was awarded a commendation by the GOCNC Southern Command for excellence in equestrian events as a cadet at NDA. Major Ravi Rathore, in addition to his polo achievements, is also a top-class equestrian rider, having performed with distinction at numerous national and international events. He's done exceedingly well in all his professional courses too, got an A grading and instructor grading also in all his courses. He stood second in the gunnery course and the first in the regular armor young officers course. For excellence in polo and equestrian events, he's been awarded 4 Chief of Army Staff commendation cards and no less than 6 General Officer Commanding Chief commendation cards. Ladies and gentlemen, take your attention in front. The regiment has changed its movement now from what they have got onto the trot mode. Ladies and gentlemen, it is only befitting that the city of Jaipur and the state of Rajasthan, that is so deeply steeped in rich martial traditions, valor and gallantry, is today witness to the mounted parade of one of the elite units of the Indian Army, the 61st Cavalry, a regiment that has kept the inspirational traditions of the Indian Army alive in fast-changing times. It is also a rare privilege for the people of Rajasthan, the nation and even the world to be witness to a military mounted parade at such close quarters. Would surely inspire the youth of the country and restore faith and confidence in the nation that the safety of the nation is in safe hands. We also take this opportunity of welcoming our tourist friends from India and abroad to witness an evening of excellence, an evening with the strength of India, 61st Cavalry and the Indian Army.
देवियों सज्जनों, यदि आपने गौर फरमाया होगा तो आपने पाया होगा कि रेजिमेंट ने रचना में परिवर्तन लाया। 8 एब्रेस्ट से 4 एब्रेस्ट की रचना में बदलाव, साथ ही साथ ब्रॉडकास्ट का दौर शुरू। या आप बारीकी से ध्यान देंगे तो पाएंगे सुंदर मनमोहक परेड के पीछे छिपी है सतत अनवरत मेहनत, कई महीनों की मशक्कत। निश्चित रूप से एक जबरदस्त उपलब्धि है। सम्मानों की फिरस्त में पद्मश्री डॉक्टर रघुवीर सिंह अश्वारोहण, सर्वोत्तम जीवन रक्षा पदक सम्मानित किए गए थे लेफ्टिनेंट कर्नल राजेश पट्टू। अर्जुन अवार्ड 10 लेफ्टिनेंट कर्नल ठाकुर किशन सिंह, ब्रिगेडियर बीपी सिंह, डॉक्टर रघुवीर सिंह, मेजर जेएस अहलुवालिया, कर्नल आरएस सोढ़ी, Lieutenant Colonel Rajesh Pattu.
In the rank and file of our first squadron, we have Acting Lieutenant Dr. Rajesh Pattu. He is a national gold medalist in 10 pegging. He is a regular member of the regimental 10 pegging team also. Amongst the horses in the headquarters squadron, we have Rockin, being ridden by the OC headquarters squadron, has been a show jumper par excellence, has won numerous medals in the highest level of show jumping, has also participated in the Asian Games. In the Nishan Jole, Lance Dafadar Mohammad Abrar of Headquarters Squadron, he's been selected for the 2006 Asian Games endurance team, has represented the national gold medal in the services team. He's got a silver medal in 10 pegging and is also a recipient of the competition cards from the Chief of Army Staff. Also Dafadar Peter Sabkal, he's a silver medalist in the national games. In the headquarters squadron, we have Dafadar Pushpendra Singh, the rank and file. He's represented Indian Army in the International Military Polo Championships held in Nigeria, where the Indian team won. He has represented Indian Army in the International Army Polo Cup held in Poland, where the Indian Army team won the tournament. And also, Lance Dafadar Ranjit Shinde is a gold medalist in the National Endurance Championship. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a sight truly to be envied. Majesty, grandeur, excellence in full radiance.
सबसे युवा अधिकारी रेजिमेंट के लेफ्टिनेंट अपूर्व दाभाड़े। अपूर्व युवा कैप्टन अधिकारी हैं, भावी घुड़सवारों में शामिल होने वाले। अपूर्व ऑफिसर्स ट्रेनिंग एकेडमी मद्रास के बोर्ड ऑफ ऑनर हैं। राष्ट्रीय अश्वारोहण मुकाबलों में अभूतपूर्व शुरुआत। मीटर अश्वारोहण समारोह में जाने की तैयारी।
And there we have, ladies and gentlemen, the famous gallop of the 61st Cavalry. The Commandant, Colonel Ajit Singh Sandhu, riding past, and soon will be seen leading his regiment in a gallop past the saluting dais in salutation to the Army Commander, Southwestern Command. Gallop is symbolic of mobility in earlier times that multiplied the fighting value of forces, allowing them to outflank, surprise and even overpower an opponent through mobility and sheer short action. In modern day, in contemporary warfare, this has been achieved or is being achieved by armor that constitutes the point of spear in an offensive against an opposing force. In a gallop motion, all legs are on the ground and all legs are on the air. Seems difficult to comprehend, but if you see it, you will appreciate the relevance and the importance and the sheer beauty of the gallop movement. The horses are moving at a speed of no less than 650 meters per second. The bands are playing the lilting tune, John P.
जैसा कि सभी देख रहे हैं, फौज ने अपनी संरचना में बदलाव लाया। गैलप की श्रेणी में चल पड़े ये नाबाद जबरदस्त घुड़सवार। सभी अधिकारी, सरदार साहिबान और रिसाले के सभी सरदार रक्त सर ऊंचा कर चौड़ी छातियां लिए रेजिमेंट का मूल मंत्र उच्चारते हैं, अश्व शक्ति अश्व बल। अतिथि सभागृह में विराजमान सभी कैवलियर्स गौरवान्वित अनुभव कर रहे होंगे। इस सम्मोहक समारोह की परेड का आनंद उठा रहे होंगे। पृष्ठपोषक है गरिमामयी अध्याय का, जो आज भी इतिहास की यशगाथा दोहराता है। विहंगम दृश्य का साक्षात अनुभव, रिसाले की हर्ष स्वर्णिम रवायत और शाही परंपरा आज भी बरकरार। घोड़ों की टापों की गड़गड़ाहट, लांसों के फहराते, रेजिमेंटल ध्वजों के फड़फड़ाने, रोमांचक माहौल पैदा करने।
The thundering of hooves, the fluttering of pennants, the snorting of horses, the jingling of chains, the glitter of the drawn sword, the erect posture of the cavalier, their magnificent attire. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a sight which will remain imprinted in our minds for years to come. This is what the cavalry was and is all about. An amazing showpiece of the Indian Army, a regiment that has no equal, and an army that acts as a force multiplier, where commitment and sacrifice is a way of life.
कैवलियर सवारों हैरत अंगेज पोशाक इनकी शोभ अदाओं में चार चांद लगाती है। ये बेमिसाल नजारा पेश कर रही हैं वो अजीम शान रेजिमेंट जिसका कोई सानी नहीं।
Riding, ladies and gentlemen, is a partnership. The horse lends you his strength, speed, and grace. For the rider, he gives it guidance and understanding. And together, they achieve a richness that neither alone can achieve. Nobility without conceit, friendship without envy, and beauty without any vanity. Horse is a projection of people's dreams about themselves. Strong, powerful, beautiful, and has the capability to give us escape from mundane existence. The regiment, after having gone through its motions, is slowly getting back to the inspection line.